This FITCAMX dash camera is built into a custom housing for the Toyota CHR, so it replaces the stock trim and looks like it came from the factory with no dangling wires or blocked windshield area. The camera records in ultra-high-definition 4K with a bright wide-aperture lens and wide dynamic range processing, which helps capture clear license plates and road details even in low light or at night. Built-in wireless connectivity and the companion application make it straightforward to review clips on a phone, save important moments, and share videos without removing the memory card or using a computer. Loop recording is handled automatically, and the included memory card is generously sized for everyday driving, while the impact sensor locks critical clips so that collision footage is not overwritten. Installation is generally simple because the unit is designed specifically for the CHR interior, so it snaps into place using factory mounting points and does not require splicing into visible wiring. Overall build quality feels solid for daily use, and the manufacturer backs it with responsive technical support that gives extra confidence in long-term reliability.